This Renaissance château is for sale. Located in Auvergne, Puy de Dôme, France. It offers 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. This charming Renaissance château is set within approximately 4.67 hectares of grounds on the edge of a village near Courpierre in the Livradois-Forez Regional Natural Park. Offering around 388 square meters of living space, the 16th century château was remodeled in the 17th century and is arranged around an inner courtyard with 2 round towers, 2 pavilions, and an impressive balustraded terrace overlooking the estate's pond. Acquired and carefully restored by the current owners, the property retains its historic character while benefiting from extensive renovation work. Complete with outbuildings, former moats and landscaped grounds, this is a rare example of Renaissance architecture in Auvergne, equally suited as a private residence or for tourism, cultural and event-related ventures. The asking price of this Renaissance château is €850,000. For more information, see the property listing in the description below. Thank you for watching.